Look up at the night sky. Every dot of light is a sun. Some died before the dinosaurs. You're seeing ghosts. We are tiny. A single human is smaller next to the universe than one atom is next to you. And yet, somehow, we figured almost all of it out. Without ever leaving home. 3,000 years ago, nobody knew what stars were. Gods. Holes in a black blanket. Campfires of the dead. Then a man in ancient Greece stuck a stick in the ground, measured 2 shadows in 2 cities, and calculated the size of the entire Earth. He was almost exactly right. No satellites. Just a stick and a brain. Later, we learned to read light itself. Split a star's light and it leaves a barcode. Every element has its own. So we looked at a star trillions of miles away and knew what it was made of, without ever touching it. Then came the shock. Every galaxy was running away from us. The universe was getting bigger. Rewind it far enough, and everything was squeezed into a single point. Then it exploded. And it left an echo, a faint heat across the whole sky. The afterglow of the beginning of time. From that whisper, we measured the age of everything. 13.8 billion years. A species that started in caves, afraid of the dark, measured the age of existence. But here's where it gets unsettling. The universe shouldn't work. Not like this. There are a handful of numbers built into reality. The strength of gravity. The pull that holds atoms together. The mass of a single particle. Change any one of them, even slightly, and everything falls apart. Make gravity a hair stronger, and the universe collapses back on itself before a single star can form. A hair weaker, and nothing ever sticks together. Just cold, empty dark. Forever. The numbers are tuned. Tuned so perfectly that if you nudged one dial by the smallest amount, you wouldn't be here to notice. So who set the dials? Nobody knows. Maybe it's pure luck. Maybe there are countless universes, and we just happen to live in the one that works. Maybe something we don't understand yet. Science can measure the dials. It cannot tell you who, or what, turned them. And here's the part scientists don't say loudly enough. We might be wrong. For 200 years, everyone was certain Newton had gravity solved. Perfect. Complete. Then Einstein proved gravity wasn't even a force, it was bent space and time. Newton wasn't wrong. He was just incomplete. So what if we're Newton right now? What if everything we believe is just a rough sketch, and the real picture is something we can't yet imagine? Then there's the question that breaks your brain. We live in 3 dimensions. Up, down. Left, right. Forward, back. But what if that's not all there is? Some of our best theories only work if the universe has more. Not 4. Not 5. Maybe 10. Maybe 11, folded up so small we'll never see them. Imagine a flat creature living on a sheet of paper. It could never picture up. Up is right there, but invisible to it. What if we're the flat creatures? What if there are directions all around you, right now, that you simply cannot perceive? And if the dimension shifted, would our laws even hold? Gravity, light, time itself might behave in ways we have no words for. But the strangest thing of all is this. The universe is written in mathematics. Pure numbers. And nobody knows why. Why should reality obey the equations we scribble on a chalkboard? Why does the cosmos care about our math at all? It's almost as if the universe was written down before it was built. We measured the Earth with a stick. We read the stars by their light. We found the beginning of time in a whisper of heat. And the more we learned, the stranger it became. We are a creature small enough to fit in a chair, sitting inside a universe we can measure, but not explain. One that looks designed, but answers no one. One that obeys laws we might be completely wrong about. So the next time you look up, remember. Those aren't just lights. That's the only part of the universe that woke up and started asking who built it. We are the universe. Waking up. Looking back. Asking why. Every atom in your body was forged inside a dying star. You are 13.8 billion years of cosmic history are made conscious, made curious. The universe did not just create you. It became you.